Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This compact SUV has been a bestseller for years, and with its updated hybrid powertrain, it's more appealing than ever. Starting with the exterior, the RAV4 Hybrid has a sleek and modern design. Its bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and chiseled lines give it a sporty look that's sure to turn heads. The available 18-inch alloy wheels add to the car's premium feel. Moving inside, the RAV4 Hybrid's interior is just as impressive. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The available Entune 3.0 infotainment system is intuitive and feature-rich, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the available heated and ventilated front seats are a nice touch. Now, let's talk about performance. The RAV4 Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 219 horsepower. The powertrain is smooth and responsive, and the available all-wheel drive system provides plenty of traction and control. In terms of fuel efficiency, the RAV4 Hybrid is a real standout. With an estimated 41 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, it's one of the most fuel-efficient compact SUVs on the market. As for pricing, the RAV4 Hybrid starts at around $29,000 for the base model. The top-of-the-line limited model starts at around $37,000. Overall, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact SUV that's both fuel-efficient and fun to drive. Its sleek design, comfortable interior, and impressive performance make it a top contender in its class. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.